Welcome back. Sunrise is underway, and here's a beautiful shot of Sandia Crest this morning. A gorgeous sunrise out there with just the right amount of cloud cover. Those clouds will be building, though, as we head through the day, and the winds are going to be picking up, and that is going to be the big story this afternoon across most of the state. And we're already seeing the windy conditions up in the northeast. Winds there out of the west at 35 miles per hour in Las Vegas, 37 miles per hour sustained as of this hour for Ruidoso, and we're seeing higher gusts than that, up near 50 miles per hour up in the northeast. And down in Ruidoso, seeing those high wind gusts as well. And again, those are just going to be picking up across most of the land of enchantment as we head through the day. Right now, things are fairly quiet as far as the precip is concerned. We're seeing partly cloudy skies across the central part of the state, with a snow shower still back up to our north over Colorado. And they picked up quite a bit of snow out of this system. Up across the northern half, picking up anywhere between 6 to 12 inches of snow. We could see 4 to 8 inches of snow before it's all said and done across the southern mountains of Colorado. But for us, we're dealing with La Nina, so most of the moisture misses us to the north. We may pick up an inch or two up in the northern mountains and in the higher terrain of the Four Corners region, perhaps 4 inches at the most, but it doesn't look like we're going to get a lot out of the system. Again, the wind is a big concern. We'll see gusts anywhere from 45 to 55 miles per hour this afternoon. And then behind the windy conditions tonight, that much colder air, the colder air is going to be pushing in, bringing us the coldest air we have seen in quite some time. For the northwest, snow and windy here, 30 in Durango, 35 in Farmington. Then tonight, down into the single digits, below zero for Durango. For your Thanksgiving Day, highs only in the 20s, and then even colder tomorrow night, down into the digits below zero for Durango and single digits for Farmington. For the southwest, partly cloudy with partly cloudy skies with winds out of the west at 15 to 35 miles per hour and highs in the 60s, so fairly mild across the southern half of the state. We'll see 70s across the southeast with 80s possible in Artesia and Carlsbad. Roswell looking at highs in the mid-70s today, then highs only in the 40s for your Thanksgiving Day, then down into the teens tomorrow night. It does get warm over the weekend with highs back into the 60s and 70s. For the northeast, very windy with gusts near 50, 55 miles per hour with highs there in the 40s and 50s. Up in the northern mountains, snow showers here later on this afternoon with temperatures topping out mainly in the 30s. Santa Fe looking at highs in the mid-40s this afternoon. May see a brief snow shower or two, but I think most of it's going to miss us to the north here. Temperatures tonight down into the teens, and then highs below freezing tomorrow afternoon and down into the single digits tomorrow night. For the eastern mountains, quite windy here with temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. And for the metro area, looking at highs today in the low to mid 50s, much like it was yesterday with partly cloudy skies. Will be windier today, and then the colder air moves in tonight with highs only in the 30s for your Thanksgiving.
Right now it's 6:49, everybody. Tickets for Albuquerque's annual Christmas Eve Luminaria Tour go on sale Friday at midnight.